Hello children, welcome back to our part 2 video of today's assignment. And as you all know that today's assignment I'm going to do is of chapter number 3, Hasmina's Kite in English literature. So we have started from today our chapter number 3, new chapter. So children, in this what we are going to do today, that we are going to complete our hard words of this chapter. Okay, now I would like to ask you all that when I started chapter number 2, that time also I gave you some hard words, and I hope you all have completed your hard words of chapter number 1 and 2 in your practice notebooks. Now again, take out your English practice notebook children, and we are going to do hard words of chapter number 3, that is Hasmina's Kite. Are you all ready for that children? Very good. So children, before starting with our today's video, I would like to ask you all that I hope you all have watched my part 1 video in which I have explained you only half story of this chapter, that is Hasmina's Kite. First page only I have read and explained it to you. So I hope you all have understood the first part of the story, first half of the story, and I also hope that you will all read the first page of the story at home twice or thrice, okay, and then move towards my part 2 video. So let's get started children with our part 2 video in which I am going to give you hard words. So you all know children that first of all what we all do, that we always write down the date of the particular day on which we are doing the work, okay. So you will write down today's date, that is 27/4/2021. Clear? Then in the first line you will give the heading of the chapter name with its number, that is chapter number 3, Hasmina's Kite. Clear? No spelling mistakes children. I have written very clearly, so you can see from here also, and then I will type in your assignment so you can also see from there. So don't make any kind of spelling mistake or silly mistake, okay. Now in the second line you will give the heading that what you are going to do, that is hard words. Clear? Now starting with our hard words. There are 10 hard words in this chapter children. So I hope you all will understand first and make sure. Again I am telling you children, please listen to this video very carefully. Listen to each and every word very carefully. All the 10 words you are supposed to listen very, very carefully. You will know what is the correct spelling of these words, and also you will listen that how I am pronouncing these words, okay, because pronunciation is very important in English. If you will pronounce the words clearly and correctly, then only your English will improve. So for that you have to listen to each and everything very, very carefully. So let's get started with our first word, that is B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, building, okay. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G is building. What is a building children? You all know there are many buildings in our city. You have seen wherever you go outside on the road, you can see buildings all around. There are buildings only, okay. And the place where we live, if we are living in flats, so that is also a kind of building, okay. So all these are huge जो बड़ी-बड़ी इमारत होती हैं, they are known as buildings, okay. So B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G is building. Now word number 2, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Now what is the meaning of evening children? शाम का समय. Evening is the time when the afternoon ends and evening starts. That means after some time the sun will set. So that is the evening time. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Clear to you all? Then the third word, Frighteneed. This is frightened. Frightened. Now the meaning of frightened is, children, डरना. Okay, किसी चीज से आप अगर डरते हो तो that is known as frightened. Now the fourth word, Terrace. Terrace. Terrace means आपके घर की छत. Terrace. So what is the spelling? Terrace. Terrace. Now coming to the fifth word, Collour. Color. Ful. Full. Colorful. Colorful means a thing which is having many colors. बहुत रंग बिरंगी कोई चीज को हम बोलते हैं कलरफुल. COLOUR. Color. FUL. Full. Colorful. Clear? Now coming to the sixth word, WALKING. Walking. Now children, listen to this sixth word very carefully. In the spelling of this word, we use the letter L. Okay? WALKING. Is that clear? But when we pronounce this word, the letter L is silent. L को हम बोलते नहीं हैं, but लिखते हैं spelling में. So that means this letter is silent in this word, and the pronunciation of this word is walking. Many of you, I have heard that you pronounce these words like walking, talking, which is incorrect pronunciation, wrong pronunciation. Okay? Correct pronunciation of this word is walking, talking. Okay? So the spelling of walking is WALKING, and you will pronounce it as walking. Clear? Now moving towards our seventh word, that is LAUGHED. Laughed. Now GH is giving the sound of F. Okay? Laughed. LAUGHED is laughed. Clear to you all? Now the space have been ended in my notebook, so I have written it on a new page. So you will all also turn the new page and you will write from a new page new words. Okay? The eighth word is now STRING. String. Now children, what is the meaning of the word string? STRING. String. String means कोई धागा, or you can say a रस्सी. ठीक है? आपने देखा होगा, आप लोग को बहुत शौक होगा kites उड़ाने का. So children, when you fly kites, okay, so how you fly the kites? You just tuck a string in it. Okay, string from one end to the other end you use, and then you fly the kite. Is that clear? एक धागा आप यूज करते हो. काइट का धागे को हम मंजा बोलते हैं. आई थिंक यू ऑल नो दैट. सो आप मंजा बांधते हो, एंड दैट इज वेरी हार्मफुल ऑल्सो. उससे हाथ भी कट सकता है. तो चरखी भी आप लाते हो, जिसमें उसका एक गांठ और लगा के आप और उसको और ऊपर तक उड़ा सकते हो काइट्स को. सो दैट इज नोन एज स्ट्रिंग. Okay? Now the ninth word is CHEERED. Cheered. Clear? CHEERED is cheered. Now what is the meaning of cheered, children? Cheered means किसी को किसी काम के लिए cheer up करना. Okay? You must have seen in the televisions also when some match is coming. कोई क्रिकेट मैच अगर आता है जो हम देखते हैं, तो हम देखते हैं कि ग्राउंड में इतने सारे लोग बैठते हैं, तो प्लेयर्स को वो लोग चीयर अप करते रहते हैं. ओके, कुछ ना कुछ बोल के, उनको हिप हिप हुर्रे करके या उनको प्रेज करके उनको चीयर करते रहते हैं, जिससे कि जो प्लेयर्स हैं वो अच्छे से खेलें. क्लियर? तो दैट इज द वर्ड cheered. Now coming to the last 10th word, friend, friend. That means दोस्त. आप लोगों के सबके friends हैं. So this is the word friend. friend, friend. So I hope children you all have understood all the 10 words. You have listened the correct spellings. You have listened the correct pronunciation. Once again children, I am repeating this part. So listen to it very carefully. First word is building. Spelling is building, building. Second word is evening, evening, evening. Third word is frightened, frigtened, frightened. Fourth word is terrace, and the spelling is terrace, terrace. Fifth word is colorful. Spelling is color, color, ful, colorful. Sixth word is walking. Spelling is walking, walking. Seventh word is laughed, and the spelling is laughed, laughed. And then eighth word is string, string, string. Ninth word is cheered, cheered, cheered. And the last 10th word is friend, friend, friend. So that is all in today's second part video children. I hope you all have understood. Now your work is to complete this assignment in your English practice notebooks, and as well as you will read the first page of today's story at home twice or thrice. So till my next video children, I want you all to complete these two things at home very nicely. Okay, and then we will start with our new part of videos. Is it clear children? So till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.